Hello mga katantu ko. So, it's been a while. So right now we're here. No, we'll be flying bound to Malaysia. We were invited to this conference meeting that will be discussing about wellness on an international platform. At the same time, they invited me to celebrate my birthday doon. So, syempre nakakatuwa lang. At least gonna be far for now. We need to plan our last quarter planning for the year 2024. Itong parating na 2024. And rest assured, ano na naman to? Walang hintong kainan, kwentuhan, and siguro the best thing about what we're doing is I was given the opportunity to at least share with my son the things I do, the passion, the people I meet as early as he's 12 years old, turning 13, and sobrang blessed lang kasi not all dads has the opportunity to train their son as early as as early as they're young. And parang nakarelate ako kasi when I started like working literally, kasi yun nga, my history was I'm not used to studying, ayoko mag-aral. So my mom, tinapon ako sa Baguio. So yun, nag-work ako as in sobra akong talagang yung work hindi siya biro dahil every morning you're gonna wake up 6 a.m. Tapos in the evening uwi ka mga 12:30. So naranasan ko yun. Siguro yung difference lang ngayon is it's more on training them to be more smart, training them to really to build themselves para mas maintindihan nila yung value nila as a person, as a student, as an example to others, kasi right now he's the one who's handling yung sa automotive. Sabi ko sa kanya, I'll be handling itong sa wellness, you handle the automotive. And happy naman ako kasi in-accept niya yung challenge. Dahil it's not easy. It's not easy for a 13-year-old guy, na starting to talk to people, starting to negotiate with other people, starting to build relationship, with other people. So we'll update you. Sobrang magiging masaya. We'll be going to the super farm. Definitely one of the most nila dun, parang one of the most expected na gagawin nila is mag-ATV sila. Yan, tapos yun, off-road driving. Yan yung mga gusto niya. So guys, really happy in how life is unfolding, opportunities unfolding. 2 days ago we just heard updates from Europe, Miracle Peptide Europe. Lawyers and doctors are discussing on what happened to Jen Verson, which sabi hindi na makakalakad for life. Pero ngayon nagda-drive na siya. O yan, hulaan nyo sino katabi ko. Yan.
Hi!
Yes. So, yun lang, having the opportunity to really bring him with me sa mga trips is one of the mga answered prayers. Okay guys, so right now, we're boarding. Ayan, so happy? Yeah, okay guys. So ito kami. Well, one of the few people getting in. And enjoy lang. See you, Malaysia. Right now, we just arrived Malaysia. And it's already time check. It's 4 a.m. And so before we decide to go back to our place, yeah, muna kami. Dito kami sa Carinderia. Yeah, busy. Ayan. At the handsome. My brother from another mother. Okay, so dito kami sa Malaysian cuisine. So itong Malaysian cuisine, ito yung parang karinderya sa atin. Tama no? Parang karinderya. Pero ito yung karinderya na may wifi, na sobrang linis. Ayan, look at it. Guys, ito yung mga lugar na when you come to Malaysia, these are the place that you need to try out. Kasi nandito yung mga famous nila, yung mga titirek, yung mga Milo nila dito. Yan, yung paborito namin yan mga yan. Yung mie goreng, roti. So later on, I'll show you yung mga pagkain na in-order namin. Dahil we need to sleep na, we need to eat a little bit lang. Okay? Okay, so dumating na yung food namin. Tawag nila dito mie goreng. Yan. Pero may mga halo siya. So normally may chicken siya. Ayan. Pipino ba to? Pipino and then there's an egg. Yan. Ganyan yung mie goreng dito. Yan. Yan. Ito na yung pinaka-light na pwede mong kainin. Tapos meron silang in-order sila upshine. Meron silang yung roti. So yan. Mamaya pakita ko sa'yo. Ginagawa pa yan dun sa likod. Enjoyin muna natin to. Ito naman yung roti. Yan. So yan yung mga Milo nila. Milo. Tapos sikat sa kanila dito yung ano. This what? Lemon tea. Right? Lemon. Yan. Lemon tea. And then this one is calamansi. Siyempre gabi na. We're about to sleep, so medyo iwas tayo sa maaasim. Magigising kasi tayo. Okay guys, we're gonna enjoy this food, and then as I always say, be happy para walang anxiety. See you tomorrow.